Figure 3 shows two line segments AB and AC intersecting at a point A. Construct a circle such that the lines AB and AC are tangents to the circle. From the question, we know that this circle has to be within angle BAC, or in between line segment AB and AC, in order for them to be both the tangent of the circle. First, we need to construct an angle bisector to set the center of the circle. Take the compass, draw an arc that crosses both AB and AC. Mark the intersecting point as D and E. Then, have the compass fixed on point D and draw an arc in between the two segments, and then fix the compass on point E and do the same thing. Mark the intersecting point as F, and then draw a ray from point A to point F. So we get an angle bisector for angle BAC, and we can set the center of the circle on one random point of the angle bisector, and we'll set it on point F. One property of angle bisector states the distance between the two lines coming from the same point on the angle bisector are the same if they are both perpendicular to the two line segments. So in order to have the circle right in the middle of the angle that touches both line segment AB and AC, we can construct two perpendicular line segments and set them as the radius of the circle. So first, we'll construct a perpendicular line to line segment AB. By doing so, we first need to make line segment AB longer. Then, fix the compass on point F and draw two short arcs on line segment AB on two opposite sides. Mark the intersecting points as G and H. After that, fix the compass on point G, draw an arc on top of line segment AB, and then fix the compass on point H without adjusting the compass. Draw an arc on top that crosses with the previous one. Mark the intersecting point as I. Finally, use the straight edge to draw a ray from point F to point I. And we get a perpendicular ray to line segment AB. Do the exact same thing for line segment AC. Now we get two line segments with the same length that will be used as the radius of the circle. Take the compass, adjust its length to one of the two perpendicular segments, and then fix the compass on point F and draw the circle. and we get the solution for this question. Line segment AB and AC are both tangents to circle F.